region. Direk Lauren, go ahead.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon, Sof. Alam ko, importante itong araw sa iyo, pero importanteng araw ito sa amin. Very appropriate itong lugar kung nasa tayo ngayon. We normally don't hold it here, but we felt, as recommended by the team, this is a very important home for you. This is a very important studio para sa iyo. Kaya ito natin ginaganap itong importante event na ito. I'd like you to know na sobrang importante yung pagkapanalo mo. Yung pagiging recognized mo bilang unang Asyano at bilang unang Pilipino sa entablado sa Amerika. Tulad ng kanta mo kanina, hindi lang pangarap mo yun, pangarap yun ng milyong Pilipino. Na makita na isa nilang kababayan ay may taguyod at may tayong bandera, ang lahat na nangangarap na mga awit, lahat na nangangarap na Pilipino mahusay ang Pilipino, pinatunayan mo yun. And every time you sing on stage, siyempre, mahanga sila sa ganung boses mo. But more than that, yung boses mo, iba na yung meaning ng boses mo. Diba? Kumapal na siya dahil sa lahat ng hirap na dinanan mo, na yung pala ay importante para lalo mapatibay ang pagkatao mo at para maging mas matamis ang tagumpay na matatanggap mo. And as I said, it was not only your dream, it was the dream of every Filipino artist to prove to the world continuously na mahusay ang mga awit na Pilipino. At maraming salamat dahil ikaw ang bagong simbolo ng mga pangarap na yun. And I know in our hearts na nakita rin namin, umuwi ka dito, pwede ka naman nanatili doon, but you opted also to be coming here, to be sharing your victory, to be celebrating with your countrymen, mga kababayan natin dito, at patuloy na pinapakita sa lahat na kung nagawa ko, kaya rin. Kaya nyo rin yan. And thank you. You may not feel it right now, but you will change a lot of lives with that achievement that you did. And thank you for not giving up. And thank you for continuously fighting not only for your dream for your family, your dream for the nation, and also pati ng ABS-CBN. Kasi gusto naman talaga namin na patunayan na magaling talaga ang husay ng isang Pinoy artist. So again, maraming salamat. And on behalf of ABS-CBN, we welcome you officially to Star Magic and to ABS-CBN. Congratulations and welcome home.
Oh, welcome home. Thank you very much for that heartfelt message, Direk Lauren. Mas naramdaman namin kung gaano kahalaga, kung gaano kalaki yung tagumpay ni Sofronio na hindi lang para sa kanya, kundi para sa milyong-milyong mga Pilipinong nangangarap. And now we also have a message from our business unit head and the head of Polaris Management, Sir Riley Santiago.
Hi, Sof. So, the last few months may seem like a whirlwind of success. Pero doon sa mga nakakakilala kay Sof, matagal na journey ang tinahak niya. Because we know you deserve all the love that you are receiving. So that's why we're celebrating this event for you. We knew for many years, TNT and it's showtime, we knew you had the skills, the heart, the mindset, and then it was just a matter of time na ma-recognize ng buong mundo yung talento mo. So, you are a proof that we do here, what we do here every day is looking for raw Filipino talent and lifting it up. Will always pay off. Because now, because of you, we can remind everyone that the Filipino voice is world-class and worthy of being heard. You really make us proud, Sof. Thank you for upholding Filipino excellence and talent. With this partnership, we will help you keep winning and living your dream. Welcome to Star Magic.
World class indeed. Thank you very much, Sir Rai Santiago, for your message for our dear Sofronio. Pero alam mo, Sof, kung ngayon pa lang parang na-overwhelm ka na, hindi dyan nagtatapos.